Welcome back to old broke ass EDC. Got a little Azusa Bladeworks Blitzkrieg. Now, can you look at that and tell who OEM this? Kind of screams it, don't it? See just a touch of Miguron there. You can definitely feel it too. Let's hit the old specs here. Blade length 3.25. Handle 4.375. The blade's coming to you in M390. And this bad boy is weighing in at 4.64 OZs. At 390, I mean, it's got a great slickness to it. I mean, it's a compact, but not, I guess I'd put it. But man, is it, it's great action. Flipper does it well. Both holes. Frame lock. That titanium and carbon fiber really pop on this. Back spacer. Nice milled clip, a little curve cue to it. Let's see, got the old dead nut center. All four fingers can sit on the handle. Nice resting, good cutaway position with your thumb with a little bit of jimping and a ramp to ride in. If you want to get serious, go over the top and get the old finger choil there. It's nice and plentiful for a big old fat sausage finger. Nice and sharp right out the box. Miguron, definitely. Here's the only thing that's going to hurt your feelings. $195.99. Yeah, it's a little bit pricey. You're going to have to really want it. But I think I do. Nice lock bar access. And she just glides down like she's on hydraulics. Nice solid thwack. The action's killer on this thing. Just squeaky clean on the billboarding. Little pivot action there. Little blade still on the back, nice and clean. Hardware no more than needed. Oh, no lanyard hole. Sorry about it, folks. No lefty either. Man, it's just a right-handed world sometimes, ain't it? A little bit on the pricey side, but the Blitzkrieg, it's their first in-house design, and I think good things are to come from it. All the micro milling on the scales, down to those carbon fiber inlays. I mean, there's a lot of work that went into that one. And a little trip to the anode to throw some color pop on it. Personal touch could make it scream. What do you think of the old Blitzkrieg? Drop the big comment. Hit that thumbs up button. Hell, share it to somebody. How about that? Y'all, stay sharp. Stay safe.